What organ allows fish to breathe underwater? Gills. What's another name for table salt? Sodium chloride. What type of rock forms from lava? Igneous rock. What kind of scientist studies space? Astronomer. What do you call animals that eat only plants? Herbivores. What kind of energy is stored in a battery? Chemical energy. What is a frozen ball of gas, rock and dust in space? Comet. What organ produces insulin? Pancreas. What's the measure of how hot or cold something is? Temperature. What do we call tiny pieces of space rock that burn in our atmosphere? Meteors. What is the smallest unit of mass in metric system? Gram. What part of the brain is responsible for memory? Hippocampus. What is a material that doesn't conduct electricity? Insulator. What do we call a year with 366 days? Leap year. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. What is the name of the first artificial satellite? Sputnik. What happens when vapor turns into liquid? Condensation. What type of blood is universal donor? O negative. What planet has the most moons? Saturn. What planet spins the fastest on its axis? Jupiter. What gas do fire needs to burn? Oxygen. What part of the brain controls balance? Cerebellum. What's the name for stored computer memory? RAM. What is the thickest layer of Earth's interior? Mantle. What is the opposite of condensation? Evaporation. What system in the body controls hormones? Endocrine system. What unit is used to measure electrical resistance? Ohm. What happens when light bends through water? Refraction. What do we call materials that let electricity flow easily? Conductors. What part of the cell contains DNA? Nucleus. Who developed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. What is the name for large rocks in space between Mars and Jupiter? Asteroid belt. What's the Sun classified as? Star. What type of energy do solar panels convert into electricity? Solar energy. What part of cell stores energy? Mitochondria. What planet is furthest from the Sun? Neptune. Which state of matter has a fixed volume but no fixed shape? Liquid. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus. What's the hardest natural substance? Diamond. What is the first element on the periodic table? Hydrogen. What gas is used in balloons to float? Helium. What are living things made of? Cells. Which vitamin is mainly found in citrus fruits? Vitamin C. What planet is tilted on its side? Uranus. What metal is the main component of steel? Iron. What type of energy does a moving object have? Kinetic energy. What natural resource is used to make glass? Sand. What do you call a chemical reaction that absorbs heat? Endothermic. What is the green pigment in plants that absorbs sunlight? Chlorophyll. What scientist is famous for gravity and the laws of motion? Isaac Newton. How many